Hey, I'm William. Today I'm going to show you how to test the drain pump on a Maytag washer that isn't draining. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. In today's video, you're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter. Don't forget to turn off your water supply and unscrew your hoses from the washer. You might need a towel handy to clean up any unwanted water. We can tilt the washer back to access the drain pump. So you can see this easier, I'm going to lay the washer on its back. We're going to be checking for live voltage, and to do that, we'll need the washer plugged in and powered on. So please be very careful here. Always take extreme care when checking live voltage so you can protect yourself from electric shock, which has the potential to cause serious injuries. Now we're going to test the drain pump. Make sure the work area is completely dry before you start testing. In order to test the drain pump, we are going to disconnect the internal drain hose to have better access. Grab your channel lock pliers and move the retaining ring down the drain hose. Now disconnect the hose and lean it to the side so it is out of the way. In order to check the drain pump, you need to take your flathead screwdriver and pop the top cap. From there, you need to remove the 3/4-inch screws that surround the pump. We're setting the drain pump down, making sure it's in a dry spot. Now using the technical sheet in our washer, we're going to enter into the manual test mode to only activate the drain pump. With our meter set to volts AC, which looks like a V with a squiggly line, we're testing the drain pump for 120 volts. If you get voltage there, then the drain pump has failed. If not, there may be something else preventing your washer from draining. Once you're done, reinstall the drain pump, connect the drain hose, and lift the washer so it can go back on its base. Connect the water hoses and turn your water supply back on. If your drain pump tested bad, you can order a replacement pump at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can repair it yourself. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. If you like this video, let us know by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.